unboxing two surprises, which are Shopkins mini packs and popcake surprise. I got scissors just in case, and they match with popcake surprise because you can see the cupcakes on there. We're going to open this one first. So here there are 36 to collect. 6 different scents, which are caramel, vanilla, lemon, chocolate, strawberry, or grape. I got it on a clearance for $2. It comes in this little cute box. So now let's open. It has this plastic. I think we're gonna have to need some scissors to cut. I hope you guys really love my videos. And here we can just close it back up. And it comes in this cute little box again, and it's actually like a real ribbon up here. You can unbox it. Let's take a look at the collector's guide. There are 36 to collect. I think it got ripped over here. Let's take a look at all of our cupcakes. There's rainbow colored ones too. And here are the instructions, so we better follow them. So we have our doll right here. So first you just push it up like this. Are these instructions? I don't really think so. Let's try to pop it up like this maybe. So we have popped it up like this. I think it could be upside down. And then you could just pop it back up like that. That's fun. Let's do that again. So you just put it like this. Okay, this is kind of hard, but they're cute. Let's take a look at our doll's face. She has green hair and blue eyes. Okay, we can pop it. And that is so cool. Let's see who we got. So we've got purple and yellow. I think purple and yellow go good together. Let's see, which one did we get? I think it could be that one, but I'm not so sure. We can maybe, I think it could be that one. Let's just look around. And I think it is this one. So let's take a look at her name. It looks like right over here. Her name is Ariani. Like if you got the same one, and even if you didn't, still like, please. Please subscribe for more videos. Let's do it one more time. 3, 2, 1. Wow, I love these. I think I'm gonna get another one next time. These are so fun. You just pop it like this, and then that. It pops back up again. I think I found an easier way to put this inside out like that. And that is so cool. We can put her back in the box, but we have to do this with it. Put it in here. Put it in the box. Now let's just take a look at our Shopkins. So they are Shopkins mini packs. There's one Shopkins inside for ages 5 and above. It's collector's edition. So we got flour. I think that's flour or sugar. I think it could be. But first, I want you guys to click on this video right at the corner to see what's inside in the Mini Boo's box. And if you do click on that, let's wait a little for that to go away. Let's take a look while we're waiting. Okay, now that I think that's gone away, up here you will see unboxing and reviewing, Sugar Rush. There are 8 scented markers. And also like that video. Whenever you get to that video, comment #Splash Soda. Splash Soda. This is fizzy candy. And let's try to open this now. Let's just peel off some tape. Then we have our flour or sugar. I think it could be flour. I'm not 100% sure though. So now we can open this up and get our collector's guide. I've opened like 5 of these, so this could be my 6th one. Let's try not to rip it, because usually I rip these a lot. So, from the kitchen essentials, let's look. Maybe we got some else from the pantry? Yeah, we did. We have pantry. I don't think I have any boxes from pantry yet. And it says great deal on that. So we got this one right here, as you can see. So, oops, I kind of bumped the camera. I'm sorry, guys. Let's just color in it with a pencil. Or if that doesn't work, let's just use a pen, so that we know that we have that one. Here's our flour box. And I think you can just open it like this. Look at this cute little sticker. So cute. Wow. And now we can open it. This is made out of paper, so we gotta be really careful. Here's our little baggie. And let's just open it up. Maybe we can just do this with it. I think we're getting into it. Opening up. Let's use some different scissors, because I don't think those are stronger enough. Wow, guys, I think we got something special. I think we did. So it's something pink. We got pasta, which has a pink circle, so that must mean it's probably limited edition or something rare. And it has these these circles up on the top of it, so that means that it's see-through. Wow. You can use these for your dolls. Let's see on this first page. It says that we got the hot special Shopkins. So we got something really special, and you can put it on your pencil. So we got an ultra rare. That is so cool. Let's test it out on our pencil, for a pencil topper. That's so cool. Let's take a closer look. pasta. She looks so pretty. So she has blue eyes, and the rest are just pink. So what is like also, we got one from season 2. I think, yeah, we got ones from season 2. So pretty. And then you can open it back up and put the Shopkin inside. Let's take a look at the other ones. Here from fashion, pantry, the rest. Homewares. There's dairy. And then the other one is sweet treats. We also have health and beauty and cleaning. And I want you guys to check on the back side. So the video will end now. I know it's kind of short, but not at the same time. Let's take a closer look at this though before we leave. Let's put the scissors away. And then we can put the pencil away here. So it's the end now. Let's take a closer look at, we already took that side. At the back now, only at the fruit and veg. Comment down below which one you have. Also, tap on my circle for more and comment #Shopkins whenever you get to any videos. So, and they inspire you to be creative. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, like, and comment down below. Bye!